Hey there foodies, James here from Bloggin Good Food, and today we are not just talking beef soup, we are turning it into a nutritional powerhouse with a little help from our veggie friends. Stick around because, trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Have you ever wondered why Grandma's beef soup was not just incredibly tasty, but also incredibly good for you? Well, it's all about the veggies. Let's dive into the world of flavor and nutrition. First up, let's talk about the unsung heroes of our soup carrots. These vibrant orange wonders not only add a pop of color but also load your soup with vitamins, giving it that extra health kick. Now, let's dive into a sea of greens spinach, kale, and broccoli. These leafy superheroes are packed with vitamins, turning your soup into a nutritional powerhouse. Who said healthy cannot be delicious? Now, don't you dare shed a tear over onions. They are the true magic makers. Onions bring a rich flavor and are loaded with antioxidants, the unsung heroes of your savory masterpiece. Oh, garlic, the secret weapon. Besides adding that unbeatable flavor, garlic is known for its immune boosting properties. Your taste buds and health will be doing a happy dance. Now, let's sprinkle some magic with fresh herbs. Thyme, rosemary, and parsley are not just here for flavor. They bring a burst of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory goodness. Your soup is about to get an herbaceous upgrade that will leave your taste buds thanking you. And now, let's paint our soup canvas with the vibrant hues of bell peppers. These beauties not only add a splash of color, but also deliver a hefty dose of vitamin C. Say goodbye to bland and hello to a rainbow of flavors and nutrients. And there you have it, folks. Transform your beef soup into a nutritional masterpiece with these veggie additions. Head over to blogginggofood.com for more scrumptious tips. Don't forget to hit subscribe and as always happy cooking.